earlier tonight, this is what we did. We went and we had the entire back end blacked out. So the side markers, I mean the rear reflectors are a satin black now to match the wrap. As you can see, the brake lights just went off, but the lights are satin black now. And Lou did an excellent job on this. As you can see, everything's even all the way across. I got video of him doing everything and some keynotes that I'm gonna try to work into this video. Don't know how that's gonna come out, but everything looks great. Now, what Patrick did, I thought it was impossible to actually debadge this and clean all the little scratches and marks out of here. But just a little bit of time and polish and took out all the freaking scratches that were in here. I thought that was gonna be impossible to do, but Patrick proved me wrong, and I might include this in the video or not, I don't know yet, because I didn't believe that he could do it. And my man did it. So, you know, if you've been thinking about debadging your car, but you've been kind of worried about like how it looks, and maybe you're thinking about like wrapping it, actually wrapping it, you don't need to do that if you have somebody or you know how to polish and buff out marks. If you can rub your fingernail across it and it doesn't pick up, it's just a mark, and you can buff that out. And I didn't know that because I had tried to buff it out on my own with the Dodge emblem there, and I just couldn't do it. So we got the rear end completely blacked out, tail light reflectors blacked out. We got the side markers blacked out with a satin black, and even up here in the front, Lou did an excellent job. Completely blacked out now. Now what I may do is replace these with the, there's like a LED one that's already, it comes pre-tinted, but it has an LED mark that goes all the way across the front. It's complete. It looks a lot nicer than this. At some point, I may look into replacing that. I just don't know. Now, you guys may wonder who I use for my taillight markers. And normally what's gonna happen in the future is I'm not gonna mention companies that I'm not particularly tied to. I've been peeping game from other YouTubers, and I can tell you right now that that's not something that they do. If they're not getting paid, why mention a manufacturer or any kind of product in their video? They may use a product, but they may give you like about 3 or 4 alternatives, right? And not specifically endorse one, just saying it up front. Now, I decided to go with the Luxe. It was a 1-yard kit of satin or smoke. I can't remember what the finish was, but it's like a satin black. I decided to go with that for my car. I wasn't gonna mention that because I'm not sponsored by Luxe. I reached out to Luxe, and they didn't even bother to get back with me, but I only reached out to them on Instagram.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna know.
I had my doubts, so I was like, nah. Oh, it's gonna, I can get them to disappear. I'm gonna make sure of that. I thought for sure that was a lost cause, man. That was the only reason I was thinking about wrapping it. I'm not wrapping it now. It looks just fine.
No, it's not. I don't like it. I'm gonna make it better. So if you look right here, you can still see them. But where the O was?
Dude, I can barely see them now.
Yeah, you see them.
It all depends on the light.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I'm just tinting out his taillights, and then he'll be done. How you doing? So you got your 14 inches, right? 2, 4, 6. Each square is 2. Right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and some little bit of change here.
Yeah.
It's about 13 per, and then I think it's like 6 inches wide, some shit like that. So we'll have plenty of extra material to do your side marking.
And that's from a 1-yard piece.
1-yard piece. I try to get as much as I can get done. So yeah, about 6 inches. So you got about 6 inches.
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Huh?
Which one is this? Yeah. You got Naruto in it?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
You know about Naruto?
I mean, I watched it when it was like late nights on Adult Swim.
Yeah.
Your one piece. Use this for your 2 back side markers down here at the bottom.
Yeah.
Split this in half. And you still have all that. All I got to do is make one more of these out of that one, and then you can do your I can do your side markers still. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for him to finish this real quick.
Yeah.
I don't want that stuff flicking
I understand.
while I do that.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
It looks better from depending on where you look.
This looks a hell of a lot better from what it looked like. It looked like somebody took fucking keys like this
That's
on the top.
that's what I thought somebody had done. And I was like, what the hell happened to this thing?
Yeah, that looks a hell of a lot better.
It's still there. I don't like
It's
it.
still there, but I mean, from what it looked like.
Yeah, I thought it was
So
unrepairable.
that's why Luxe made that centerpiece, because he noticed even without people touching that back plate right there, some odd reason it would get scratched, and it just showed on yours, right? That's why he made that satin black piece, 3-piece or 1-piece, whatever you want to do, however you want to do it.
Is it 3-piece or is it 1-piece?
You can do 2-piece or a 3-piece.
It's up to you. It's
Completely up
options.
to you, exactly. I've seen a lot of people come up with some pretty cool ideas. Like Jose's got a Mod Effects one on there. I've seen somebody come up with different colors to match their wrap.
So when you say 3 pieces, it's the centerpiece and then the tail light.
So no, you got this piece that comes like this, comes across. Boom, that's your
Basically,
1 piece, right? And then it's like, say for example, it's like it's a flag. American, we're just gonna throw that out there. It's a flag, and then another solid piece that goes over top so you can see the emboss. And then the 3rd piece would be like a Hellcat head in the middle of your
Instagram
color,
handle.
or your Instagram handle, or SRT, or whatever you want to, whatever you choose to. That'll be your 3 pieces. So you have that sitting on top of the embossed flag jumping out at you.
Okay.
This is not bad at all.
Let me get one more pass on it and see what lightens up more and which one can disappear. Still kind of thick, but up here it's almost gone.
No, this is what we call dark stealth, which is also known as satin black.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, so here's the deal. I'm at Mod Effects, and we are doing something very simple to my car. I could have done it myself, possibly, but I didn't want to take the chance of messing it up. So I just came here and I let the professionals do it. The deal is you're gonna love it when you see it, I think, because it's gonna make my car look that much better. I'm actually black. I'm murdering out everything else in the back of the car and then on the side of the car as well. So I'm hoping it comes out good. We'll see here in a second. There's a lot of music playing in there, so I didn't want to like record everything that's going on, but so far Patrick took care of debadging the car and buffing out some scratches that I thought were impossible to come out. And Lou is taking care of putting the tint on the tail lights and all the side markers. But as soon as they finish, I'm rolling out. I've been here for a little while just chilling, and I gotta get home. It's Saturday, no, it's Friday. It's Friday, and I have a lot to do. We got a big photo shoot tomorrow. I gotta prep the car for that, and I just don't know how I'm gonna make it through the night with everything that I have to do. So let's go back in here, jump into this video, and I'll show you what we've done so far. I definitely have my doubts, but I will never doubt you again.
That
Ever.
was funny though. He was like, I'll show you. Don't ever fucking bet him to show you something like that. He'll show you now.
I mean, that's freaking amazing, man. You know how I tried to get that stuff out, but those freaking Dodge letters were in my way. I was like,
what's going on with your car. Some people see different things differently. On it, a little posty, touch up the sides, make sure nothing's coming off. It's looking sharp.
yeah, I think that looks real good, man.
That looks really damn good. It's real vulnerable at these corners, so I really want to heat it up a little bit so I can lose that memory I was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Push it down.